Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a flower GIF on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you want to add a flower GIF effect on CapCut, so you just click on the sticker at the bottom. And then after this, you can click on the flower icon, this one, click on it. And in here you can see many flower GIF from a CapCut app, so you just click the flower that you want to add. I want to try to add this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you can set the flower like this to big, like this. And I want to add two flowers, so you just go back and click sticker again, and you can click this one like this. And after this, you can change you can set the duration for the sticker until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add a flower sticker on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.